Top 10 Healthcare Research Topics. Future Trends in Healthcare. In this essay, you can predict the technologies and methods the healthcare industry may be using in the future. For example, your paper can be about the role of big data analytics and machine learning in patient care. How will care be transformed in the coming years? Answer this question and mention potential challenges associated with trends such as these. Eliminating healthcare disparities in the LGBTQI community. Ensuring equal healthcare for people of all genders is one of the main goals medical workers should strive for. How can it be achieved? Write about it in your paper. Start by reviewing the existing disparities and biases towards LGBTQI persons. Then, suggest ways to promote inclusivity and cultural sensitivity among healthcare providers. Institutional violence in healthcare, factors and ways of intervention. Institutional violence in healthcare settings is a horrifying phenomenon that needs to be eradicated. But first, we need to establish the main factors that cause it. Describe them in your paper, paying attention to the systemic issues that allow institutional violence to occur. Then, explore possible intervention and prevention strategies. Healthcare in the United States, Timeline and Reforms. In this research paper, you should present a detailed timeline of U.S. healthcare and thoroughly analyze it. You can start from the very beginning, the early colonial times and the gradual emergence of the first hospitals. We recommend paying particular attention to the important milestones and persons who contributed to U.S. healthcare as we know it. Healthcare facilities standards and disaster management. When it comes to preparing for and responding to disasters, there are many healthcare-related aspects you can look into. You may focus your research on guidelines that help medical workers be ready to respond to a sudden disaster. Alternatively, you could write about the most effective communication strategies between healthcare providers, governments, and communities to use during disasters. Healthcare nutrition, dieting for reducing weight and improving optimal health. Good nutrition often plays a key role in helping people lose weight. It's especially important due to the prevalence of obesity in the U.S. Your essay can describe the value of nutrition in various aspects of our lives, including our overall optimal health. Additionally, you may review popular diets and assess their effectiveness. Diagnosis-related groups in healthcare research. Diagnosis-related groups, DRGs, are classification systems that categorize patients with similar diagnoses. They are valuable tools in storing data and conducting healthcare research. Your essay can explain the importance of DRGs in studying various populations and assessing the effectiveness of treatments. Healthcare programs in the developing countries. Your paper can address healthcare-related challenges in developing countries. Among them are weak infrastructure, limited resources, and healthcare access disparities. Expand on these challenges and highlight the programs aimed at managing them. Pay attention to programs related to diseases specific to developing countries. Healing environment's importance in the healthcare system. A healing environment has a profound positive impact on patient outcomes. Unfortunately, not all healthcare providers are aware of it. That's why we suggest you dedicate your paper to the features of healing environments and demonstrate their effectiveness. In particular, concentrate on things such as natural light, cleanliness, and the presence of nature in enhancing patient well-being. Healthcare fraud in interventional cardiology. Fraudulent actions in the field of cardiology have a catastrophic effect on patient care. Additionally, they undermine the public's trust in healthcare professionals. In your paper, you can review different types of fraudulent actions related to interventional cardiology. Demonstrate their possible causes and suggest the most effective ways to prevent them from happening. Find more research topics on studycorgi.com.